guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a spring glowy. It was supposed to be natural, but it didn't turn out that way. But it's fine, it's cute. It's created this look right here. Natural summer, but like spring. We're like dainty, we're so fresh. I really enjoy how this look came out. Actually, I tried out some new foundation, concealer, some new techniques. Feel free to try it out. I am kind of very much obsessed with how this turned out. Today, I don't have eyebrows on. Let's address that, okay? I am going to be doing a spring, I want to say soft, like glowy natural, but like I've been on a hunt for a glowy foundation that's like good with texture and all that. So keep you posted on that, but I'm going to be trying out, just trying to make my full coverage foundations a little more lighter. And obviously, before you go into makeup, it is all about your skincare and what you're doing with your skin, because your makeup is only going to look so good if you're not taking care of your skin. So right now my skincare routine is a little bit weird. I've been trying out Curology. I don't know how I feel about it yet, so I'm not going to like get into it, but if you want to know, I'll show you guys in like a month and see if it's actually working or not. So now, since I just did the mask, I washed my face, I exfoliated, I shaved, I do shave my face, and then I put the sheet mask on. Now, after letting the serum sit on my face a little bit, I'm going to go in with the Curology moisturizer. Just a tip when you're putting on skincare, moisturizer, primers, you want to let each step sit on your skin and let it soak in, so it's like not all mixing, because then it's not going to soak in properly and it's not going to work as good. I'm going to go in with this is the Olay Daily Moisturizer. This has SPF 30. And I actually really love this product because a lot of sunscreens for the face like really clog your pores, and it's like super thick and like greasy feeling, but this soaks right into your skin and it doesn't feel too greasy and it doesn't like clog your pores. Now I'm going to be going in with the L'Oreal Lumi Glotion. Only putting this on the highest points of my face because this does have a thicker formula, so it's going to make your whole face feel kind of sticky. But if you just focus it on the high points, it'll be good. For foundation, I'm going in with the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation, and I'm mixing it with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Hydrate Foundation. This has hyaluronic acid. I grabbed the wrong shade in this, so this will be my summer shade. This will be my summer shade, but just to lighten it up, I'm going to add a little bit of this foundation, which this foundation is already kind of glowy. So I'm going in with a sponge, taking a little bit of what's on the back of my hand so that it can soak up the product on my hand first. This is the Conceal and Hydrate Radiance Concealer. This one has hyaluronic acid in it too. Same line as the foundation that I used from them. I've just been looking for glowier stuff because my skin is super dry recently. And I'm going to try not to use too much product. Okay? Luxie foundation brush and just going right into the stick. This is again the Wet n Wild Makeup's contour stick. This is in Call Me Maple, and I'm just taking that on with the brush and just lightly tapping, trying not to drag and take away the foundation. I know most people don't like this much blush, but I'm kind of obsessed, addicted. The Fit Me loose powder in the shade Fair Light. Lightly, just kind of focusing this right under the eye. I'm going to go in with the same loose powder, but in the shade Light. This one's a little bit darker of a shade. And I'm just going to go right in here because I know I get super oily right here. But this one's more closer to the shade of my face, so it's not going to make me look too light. I'm going to bronze with the Butter Bronzer in the shade Sunkissed. Just tapping this on the face. Only because I'm a little extra and I want to be sculpted. I'm going to go in with a darker shade of the bronzer and just being a little more precise and like contouring my face a little bit. It's supposed to be more natural, but because I'm like a little bit like crazy and like a little OCD, I'm going to take my Morphe sponge. It has like this nice edge, so this is what I really use it for, and clean up that bronzer. This also is just going to make me look more sculpted, and as a chubby queen, I love that for me. So I've been going crazy with blush, but like I'm addicted and I love it and like I can't stop. I'm so obsessed with the textures of these blushes in this palette, Elmar Cosmetics palette. I've used this in my last video, and I'm just going to try, like I'm so obsessed with these shades. They make me look so tan and glowy, but I'm going to try to stick with this one because like we're spring, or like I don't know. I can't promise anything. But I'm just going to tap into this. And I usually go all the way back here, but I'm going to try and see what the vibe is. Just sticking up here. This is the Loretti Cosmetics Dew Pot. It is like a cream highlighter, but she has like a blushy tone, like very pink with like gold flecks. I'm going to show it right here so you can kind of see this one right here. I'm going to take some of that and 2 fingers and kind of just pop her right on the cheek. A pink, like a champagne color highlighter with like flecks of gold. This is my favorite lip liner. This is from NYX. It's the NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in the shade London. I love the shade. I'm going to go in with, this is called Sherbet. This is a Kylie Cosmetics. These are her cream lipsticks. And I'm just tapping this one in the center. And then lightly typing it out. Brushing off the powder now. I go in with the eyes, and this is going to be as natural as I can make it, but I have a problem with keeping it natural and not trying out products. Also, don't mind my lashes. I need to get them done, okay? So don't judge me. I use hairspray. This is just Tresemme Extra Hold Hairspray, Extra Firm Control. And then I just take a spoolie and I spray her. Okay. Bender. Then I lightly, barely touching the skin, and just going through and lifting them. And I like the bushy effect. I know it's not for everyone. Yeah, she looks lifted. She looks more natural. I need to stop saying she. I personally apologize for anyone who heard me calling things she. So I kind of already have an eye base on because I put concealer on there earlier. And for my bases, I just use concealer. I feel like it covers up my veins and it also makes it last just as good as an eye base, if not better. I'm going to go in with the Honey palette. This is from ColourPop, and the shades are all mixed up because I dropped them and they all fell out, but I'm going in with this shade right here in my crease, just a bright yellow, and I'm going to take it with this Morphe blending brush, not my favorite. I'm patting it on first to get like the ultimate coverage, and so it doesn't like skip, and then I'll go in and blend like normal. Now I'm going to go in with the clean brush and just buff this out smooth. Okay. And then now I'm going to take this shade on more to like my lid below the yellow. Molten Gold highlighter, and I'm going to go in with a small brush like this, pick up some of that product, and then I'm going to go in the inner corner and slowly blow that out. Back in with a blending brush between here, making sure everything's blended. I literally sit here and blend my eyeshadow for so long. This is the look. She's very innocent. She's flushed. She's glowy. Sorry for saying she. But yeah. If you like this look, be sure to like and subscribe. And let me know what looks you want to see in the future, what kind of videos, blah, blah, blah. I'm going to be working on some vlogs. First, I have to figure out how to get a life, and then I'll do that for you. But, yeah, thank you for the support on my last video. I'm ready to pose with some flowers in, like, a field. So fresh.